Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's explore the term Hinduism. It's not just a religion. There's more to this word. Let's delve into the rich tapestry of beliefs and traditions. Meaning. So, Hinduism is one of the world's oldest religions, with a diverse range of beliefs, practices, and traditions. It encompasses a vast array of philosophical ideas, rituals, and cultural elements, making it a complex and multifaceted tradition. Usage. Imagine participating in Hindu rituals and ceremonies or studying the ancient scriptures and texts that form the foundation of Hindu philosophy. Examples. Think of the various deities in Hinduism, such as Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, or the celebration of festivals like Diwali and Holi. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's Chen. Dusm Hinduism, a term that encapsulates a rich and diverse cultural and spiritual heritage, right? Different uses. Ever heard of Hindu philosophy? It encompasses diverse schools of thought, including Vedanta, Nyaya, and Samkhya, contributing to the depth of Hindu intellectual traditions. Conclusion. If the world of Hinduism intrigues you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more enlightening word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.